What's the meaning of atone? Atone. Atone.
Atone. Atone. The word atone means to make amends for a wrongdoing or a mistake. It involves acknowledging the responsibility or fault that one has committed and making an effort to rectify it. The result of atoning can include the restoration of trust, repairing damaged relationships, and bringing closure to a situation. It is an important concept in many religions and ethical systems, emphasizing the importance of taking responsibility for one's actions and seeking to make things right. Ultimately, atoning can bring about a sense of peace, resolution, and reconciliation.